How to set the calendar to fetch new data automatically or manually on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Apps. Next, in here, we then go down and you want to look for Calendar. So tap on Calendar. Next, tap on Calendar Accounts and then tap on Fetch New Data. From here, you can choose to fetch automatically or manually. So select one of the available options and that's it. After that, you can then swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.